The one is totally staring at me. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am coming at you from my floor. Why do I feel the need to say that? Why do I have to tell you where I'm coming from? I need more coffee. Why is it that every time I sit here in this spot, I get goofy? Like, I don't understand what it is. Okay, so my hair's looking a crazy hot mess. Just don't judge, okay? We're doing some DIYs here. So I just posted my Halloween house tour the other day. After I got everything up, there were a couple items that I was like, I don't really love how that looks. I want to kind of revamp it a little bit. So these are going to be 3 super easy projects, DIYs, whatever, on stuff that I already have in the house. So I'm going to just kind of make over a couple items, and then I'm going to redo this tray that I made a while back. If you guys saw that video, I'm just going to kind of update it a little bit and make it Halloweeny. Is that even a word? Anyways, so if you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you love Halloween as much as I do. And if you guys saw my video from my house tour, you know that we love Halloween. Did you guys see the witches in my living room? They're looking at me right now and I have to live with them every day. All right, let's get into these DIYs. All right, guys, for this first DIY, I'm taking these skulls that we've had for years and years, and I'm just gonna give them a little bit of a makeover. The one on the right is plastic, and the one on the left actually feels like a candle, which is very weird because it lights up on the inside. Yeah, I don't really get it. But I'm just taking my deep gray matte spray paint, and I'm going to spray these guys, and then I'm going to bring them in and do my galvanizing method. So I'm going to be using this platinum acrylic paint, and I'm going to use one of my little sponges and sponge the entire thing. And if you guys aren't familiar with my galvanizing method, I will link that video down below in the description box for you guys to check out. But this is like the easiest method that I have found, and it's only 2 products. So yeah, I'm just going to take the sponge and just dab that everywhere, and I'm going to do the same for the other one as well. And if you guys notice, when I start doing the other skull, the face is a little bit deformed because I accidentally left it outside a little too long and it started to melt because, like I said, it's made out of wax, which is so weird. But yeah, so the left or the right side of the face is a little droopy, but hey, I think it looks even more realistic now. And then the finishing touch on these, I'm just going to use my stenciling brush with a little bit of black paint and just kind of go over the entire thing to just kind of make it look a little more like old and distressed a little bit. And that is it for that little makeover. That one looks a little rough, but hey, I really like the color. I think it looks so much better with the decor than how it looked before. So, and these were super duper easy. So, all right, for this next one, I'm going to be taking this purple, I think it actually was a candy bowl from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be giving this a little bit of a farmhouse style makeover, and I'm just going to be taking that same gray spray paint, and I'm going to spray paint this entire thing, and then I'm going to bring it in and also do the galvanizing method on this as well. And then I'm also going to distress this one a little bit. I'm just taking that same stencil brush with the black paint, and I'm just going to go around the edges on the bowl and just make it look a little distressed as well. And that is it for this one. I think it turned out really cute. Like, I mean, you'd never know it used to be a purple bowl from Dollar Tree. I really like how it looks. All right, for this last one, I am going to be taking this tray that I made a few months back. I will link that up above if you guys haven't seen that video, but I'm going to revamp this a little bit as well. So the first thing I'm doing is just taking a piece of white paper, and then I'm taking these stencils that I picked up from Dollar Tree. It's just like a stencil wheel of Halloween stuff, and the one that I'm doing right now is going to say trick or treat, and I think it's got a little bat with it. I don't remember. But so I'm just going to be putting stencils on this paper, and I'm going to draw some candy corn on there, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put it inside the tray. The tray is actually made out of picture frames, so I like that I can change out the picture that I have in there, and I can use it for different seasons. I'm just also taking the pumpkin, there's like a little pumpkin stencil on here as well, and I'm going to put those around the four corners and then draw in the candy corn with my Sharpie and then just paint them. And the paint, all the paint I'm using is from Dollar Tree. Now I'm just flipping the frame over and taking the little backing off so I can put the trick or treat paper in there. The paper was a little long, so I just had to trim the edges a little bit. So I plan to just put, this is the other one that I had in there, and I plan to just put that right behind it so I can switch it back when Halloween's over. And that is it for this one. This was so easy, and I think it turned out super cute, and I already have ideas that I want to do for Christmas, so I just love how I can like trade this out for every holiday. So I hope you guys enjoyed these DIYs. They were super quick and easy, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.